WordPress is the world's most popular website builder, and 41% of the web is built on WordPress. Bloggers, small businesses, and prominent companies use WordPress more than all other options combined. Today we are going to learn how to start a blog instantly using WordPress.com. First, let's create a WordPress account. Go to WordPress.com and click the Get Started button from the top right corner. Create an account by clicking the Continue with Google button. Get a domain name from your website or blog. A domain name is the address of your website that people type in the browser URL bar to visit your website. You can choose to get a .com domain or a .blog domain. These premium extensions require to be paid. So, for this tutorial, we will use a free domain name extension, inshaAllah. Scroll down and look for a domain name for free. Select the domain name. It will take you to a page which will allow you to grow and enhance your business with convenience. However, we want to start a free site so that you can grow your website later if required. Click Start with the free site and your site will be ready for you soon, inshallah. With that, you have created your site and now you are ready to set up it. That's all for this tutorial. Hope you liked it. Assalamu alaikum.